From research to product launch, health innovation has costs. However, the benefit, which is saving lives, is impossible to put a price tag on. So how can we assign a proper price? Should the basics of industrial profit be applied to healthcare? Take the Da Vinci surgical robot. It costs 2 million euros plus 110,000 euros for annual maintenance and 1,000 euros for the throwaway materials we use for each operation. This is considered abusive and monopolistic by some people. The so-called mercantilism of the pharmaceutical industry is also pointed out because their patents, as those of other industries, are protected for 20 years as of the initial identification of the compound. What about people living in countries that are unable to purchase these drugs? Pharmaceutical arguments are impossible to refute. They can't finance research unless they have a monopoly on sales. According to industry, a compound requires 10 to 15 years and costs 800 million euros to develop because of all of the research that doesn't work out. Only 1 in every 10,000 compounds reaches the market. Generics are a bitter pill for pharma. They say that those companies take advantage of their research and development to take away market share. Are they right to say that this justifies 20% of profitability? No, says South Africa, who with respect to AIDS authorized local firms to go to market without patents. Another person to say no was a Colombian biologist who refused $68 million from a pharma company for his anti-malaria vaccination. He preferred to give it to the WHO at cost. Unfortunately, this distribution never occurred. Wouldn't it be best to fix price after the use of an innovation? It took 100 years after the rabies vaccination to evaluate the life saved. But of course, this is not possible for a business.